In this video, I'm going to show you how to transcribe a song using ChatGPT. Now, one way that you're able to do this is you're able to go ahead and drag and drop the audio file with your song over to ChatGPT, then it is going to transcribe it for you. So here is our file right over here. And what you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and drag and drop it right over here. And then in the prompt, make sure to go ahead and select on transcribe this song. And then go ahead and press on enter. What you could alternatively do is you can go ahead and record like a snippet of the song you're trying to actually get, and then you're able to have the audio file on your system. Then you can go ahead and just drag and drop it over to ChatGPT. But let's just go ahead and press on enter. All right, and then check this out. It is now going to go ahead and actually begin transcribing the song right over here. So we got the Star Spangled Banner, and then here is the actual song itself. So check this out. It can even time sync the lyrics to the audio as well, which is incredibly useful right over here. So as you're able to tell, we have the song fully transcribed. Now, you may run into some issues. So one issue could be is that the file is too big. So you don't want to like give ChatGPT a huge file or something like that. You want to give it something small and something easy so that it's able to transcribe it easier. So just keep that in mind. And if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.